Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am again present in front of you with my today's lecture. First of all, I am giving you my introduction, that is, I am Sonia Yasmin, lecturer, Department of Agriculture, Milestone College. Today, I am going to discuss about chapter number 7, section number 2. The topic of my chapter is Family Dairy Farm. The topic of my chapter is Family Dairy Farm. First of all, before giving my lecture or topics, that is, what is dairy farm? We have to consider that what is dairy farm. Dairy farm is a kind of farm where cows are reared for milk production. Dairy farm is the kind of farm where cows are reared for milk production. This is the important definition of dairy farm. Dairy farm is a profitable business. One should drink 90 liters of milk per year. One should drink 90 liters of milk per year. But in our country, a person required milk 10 liters per year. The deficit of milk production, that is made up or fed up with powder milk from abroad. So, dairy farm, establishment of dairy farm must be required. Establishment of dairy farm must be required. In this chapter, there are various kinds of important topics. First of all, let's look up the important topics. That is, factors to be considered for establishing dairy farm, required materials for establishing dairy farm, caring for cow, caring for calf, milking process, the definition, steps of milking process, methods of milking process and methods of preservation, old method and modern method. Then finally, the most important topics of this chapter, that is pasteurization, its types, advantage, disadvantage and vice versa. So students, now let's start the lecture. Important topics of this lecture, that is, factors to be considered. First of all, what are the factors to be considered for establishing a dairy farm? What are the factors to be considered for establishing a dairy farm? These are the factors to be considered for establishing a dairy farm, that is, number 1, comparatively high and dry land. Number 2, scope for farm extension. Number 3, far from household area. Comparatively high and dry land. Land should be high and dry. Only for milk production, cows are reared in a dairy farm. I have said before. Then these factors, number 1 most important factors is comparatively dry and dry land and high land, so that natural calamities such as flooding or waterlogging condition should not attack the cows, and milking production should not be interrupted, so that high and dry land must be required. Number 2, scope for farm extension. Farm should be extended, and there is a scope for farm extension. If we establish a dairy farm with 2 to 3 cows, then this amount should be extended, and there is also be a scope for farm extension. I said that for there are two types of dairy farm, that is for family purpose and other is for commercial purpose. 2 to 3 cows are reared for family purpose, and in this farm only family members are liable for rearing cows, and there are no other persons to rear cows for milk production, and milking process is done only by family members, and other is commercial purpose, that is 5 or more cows are reared for milk production. Some other persons are liable for this milk production. Some other persons are liable for this milk production. Number 3, far from household area. Far from household area. Any kind of farm, otherwise not only dairy farm but also any kind of farm that is far from household area should be done, because cows or any kind of other items or other materials are not be disturbed from households noise, or various kinds of disturbance are done from households. So this farm is always be far from household area. So students, these factors are very much important. Other factors are there should be near farm marketplace, so that milk from cows should be provided due to marketplace. Transportation cost must be lower and transportation system must be higher, so that the milking process is done smoothly and milk is delivered to market for commercial purpose, so that dairy farm always be profitable business. I can say that dairy farm is always be profitable business. So transportation is another important topic. So students, these are the important factors to be considered for dairy farm. Next, required materials for establishing a dairy farm. Required materials for establishing a dairy farm. Number 1, capital. Capital. What is capital? I say that this capital is very much important topic for any kind of farm. That is not only dairy farm but also any kind of farm, that is farm for meat production, farm for household, any kinds of activities. Capital must be done. What do you mean by capital, students? All of you know that what is capital. Capital is a handsome of money which is required for establishing a dairy farm. Capital is a handsome of money which is required for establishing a dairy farm. So this capital is very much important topic. This capital is very much important topic. And number 2 is farmland. Number 2 is farmland. This farmland is always also be important topic for establishing a dairy farm. This farmland also be important topic for establishing a dairy farm. What is if land is not the choice of land must be done, and for establishing dairy farm, farmland should be always far from household areas. So farmland should be required for establishing a dairy farm or other various kinds of farms. Then number 3, improved cow breeds. Improved cow breeds. What are the improved cow breeds? Improved cow breeds are those breeds from where these cows breeds are very much improved and higher amount of milk is done. Milk production is done from improved cow breeds. I am giving you an example, that is Holstein Friesian and Australian cow. All of you say that, and which origin is Netherlands. This Holstein Friesian can give up 35 to 40 liter of milk per day. So if improved breeds is the choice of improved breeds is done, otherwise milk production is higher amount of milk production is done. If breeds are not improved, then milk production is not higher, lower amount of milk production. So for that reason, milking the milk production is not a profitable. So improved cow breeds are very much required for milk production. Then number 4, standard farm household. Number 4, standard farm household. And this point also be important. Standard farm for household is very much important for establishing a dairy farm. This household should be standard, away from household area, and farm should be standard. Various kinds of facilities should be required, that is water line must be required, and various kinds of food feeding and drinking must be required, and also places away from natural calamities, that is flooding and waterlogging condition. Then these points are very much important. Required materials. So first of all, I have said that factors to be considered. These points are very much important. That is required materials. These points are also very much important. Then caring for cow. Caring for cow. Cows should be cared very much attentively. First of all, cows should be worked out so that milking process is done smoothly, and balanced diet is should be provided to cow, so that milking process is done smoothly, and balanced food item or supplementary food should be provided to cows. Very large amount of water should be provided to cow. So cow should be cared very much attentively. And then caring for calf. Then the process is caring for calf. This caring for calf is another important topic, that is calf should be cared. To care the calf, first of all, balanced diet should be provided to pregnant women. Balanced diet should be provided to pregnant women, and balanced water, large amount of water also be provided to pregnant women. Colostrum, that is first milk. Colostrum, that is first milk, which is provided to calf very much attentively. This caring of calf must be required. This caring of calf must be required for, and for these points are very much important. Next, milking. Milking, there is a very nice definition of milking, that is the process of collection of milk. The process of collection of milk from cow's udder is called milking process. The process of collection of milk from cow's udder is called milking process. So in this dairy farm, milking, our main purpose is to produce milk. So milking process is done smoothly. We have to note that the milking process should be done smoothly. What are the steps for milking process? What are the steps for milking process? There are some steps for milking process. Number 1, milking time. 2 to 3 times in a day. That is morning, afternoon, not sunny noon. Morning, afternoon, and a definite time for milking process should be done. Not various kinds of time. Definite time should be noted for milking time. So milking time is that 2 to 3 times in a day. 2 to 3 times in a day. Number 2, milk cart should be neat and clean. First of all, before milking process is done, milk cart should wear a neat and clean dress, and wash his hands properly, and collect a pot with neat and clean. Neat and clean pot should be provided to milk cart. Cow should not be excited or disturbed during milking. Cow should not be excited or disturbed during milking. Cow should Cow should be stimulated by calf during milking. Other than milking should not be done smoothly. So these steps are very much important for your question and for this milking process. And then method of milking process. Method of milking process. Method of milking process. There are 2 methods of milking process, that is old method and modern method. Old method was done in earlier decades, And nowadays old method also be done in some villages for family purpose, where small amount of cows are present. Then old method is by hand pressurizing the cow's udder for milking process is done by hand, is known as old method. And next modern method is done by machine. It's done for commercial purposes, where some more kinds of cows are present. Then these commercial purposes modern method are done for machine. And these methods are two milk preservation method, that is old method and modern method. Old method is by boiling milk, that is boiling milk for 20 to 30 minutes. That is stored, that is normal temperature. 4 hours are safe. 20 to 30 minutes boiling, 4 hours are safe in normal temperature. And then modern method is done by refrigerator or deep freezing. Modern method is done by refrigerator and or deep freezing. This is the modern method. Another modern method is also considered. That is the important topic I have said earlier. That is pasteurization. The spelling must be checked. Pasteurization. What is pasteurization? Before giving the definition, I have said that Louis Pasteur is the first inventor of pasteurization process, that is milking modern preservation process. Louis Pasteur. And another German scientist, Soxhlet. Spelling is that Soxlets. Soxhlet is first applied this technique for milking. So what is pasteurization? Pasteurization is the heating process. In every particle of milk. Pasteurization is the heating process in every particle of milk. Heating process every particle of milk at 145 degree Fahrenheit or 162 degree Fahrenheit temperature. 145 degree Fahrenheit, point to be noted, students, 145 degree Fahrenheit or 162 degree Fahrenheit temperature for some days. And this process is very much safe for milk production. 99% bacteria and viruses are destroyed or deteriorated. So now, what are the types of pasteurization? That is 3 types of pasteurization. That is number 1, with low temperature, that is 145 degree Fahrenheit, 62.8 degree centigrade for 30 minutes. 145 degree Fahrenheit. This is very much important. 145 degree Fahrenheit, 62.8 degree centigrade for 30 minutes. This is also very important. With high temperature, 162 degree Fahrenheit. 162 degree Fahrenheit is very important. At 72.2 degree centigrade. 72.2 degree centigrade for 15 seconds. With high pressure, 137.8 degree centigrade for 137.8 degree centigrade for 2 seconds. 137.8 degree centigrade for 2 seconds is very much important. These 3 types are very much important for pasteurization. And in your question, there will be a question, that is, what are the types of pasteurization milking preservation system? Then you can write up these points. What are the points? I again say that with low temperature, 145 degree Fahrenheit, that is 62.8 degree centigrade, is boiled milk for 30 minutes. With high temperature, 162 degree Fahrenheit, 72.2 degree centigrade for 50 seconds for milking, boiling milk. And with high pressure, 137.8 degree centigrade for 2 seconds for boiling milk. So these points are very much important for pasteurization process. And now the advantage. it's time to tell you what are the advantages of pasteurization process. The advantages are that milk during preservation of pasteurization process, milk is safe, and 99% bacterial viruses are almost destroyed. So milk is safe for preservation, or milk is safe for drinking. And what are the disadvantages? What are the disadvantages? The disadvantages are heat sensitive bacteria are deteriorated. Heat sensitive bacteria are deteriorated, and during heating tests, some tests are deteriorated, or taste must be lower than original milk. So these advantages or disadvantages also very important for your question. So students, I have come almost end of this chapter. Before ending my lecture, I again say the important topic of this chapter, that is factors to be considered: comparatively high and dry land, scope for farm extension far from household area. Any other points I have said you, that is water should be required, water line should be required, and transportation cost must be considered. That required materials are capital is very much important, students. Capital is very much important for establishing any kind of farm. If you in question, there is a question that what is the point, most important point, that is required for establishing a dairy farm, then you can write up that capital. Number 2, farmland, improved cow breeds, farmland, improved cow breeds, standard farm household. These are the very much important points. Then caring for cow is also some other points I have said. Caring for calf is also other points I have said. Then milking process. What is the definition? The process of collection of milk from cow's udder is known as milking process. This definition is very much important. Steps are the important for milking process. Then I have said methods, old method, modern method. Then pasteurization, very much important, pasteurization. Louis Pasteur and Saussure, these two scientists must be important. Name of this pasteurization process: Louis Pasteur is inventor, and Saussure is first applicator. And with types there are 3 types: with low temperature 145 degree Fahrenheit, 62.8 degree centigrade; with high temperature 162 degree Fahrenheit, 72.2 degree centigrade for 15 seconds; with high pressure 137.8 degree centigrade for 2 seconds. And I have said that what are the advantages and disadvantages of pasteurization. So students, this lecture is almost end, and you have to learn this chapter very attentively, and most importantly the important topics I have said that very much important for your question. These important topics must be required for your question. So students, this is all about your today's lecture. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.